ng ulan at hangin ng isang araw. Napunit. Oh my God. Okay, this is the continuations of what we get started yesterday. And welcome to our vlog. We are trying to fix the problem here. And Daddy's already started. You want me to put the pan here?
That's all right.
And it's so hot already. We're trying to look for someone to can help us out, but we cannot find any. You know, my sisters want to help me, but they are busy too. They have to do something for themselves, and we understand that. And we're trying to look around here in the neighborhood. We have someone that helped us out before, the gardener, but he is too busy also. So, take a look. So, you see that? It's getting bigger, baby, no?
Yeah, it's very brittle. The wind's just breaking it.
Yeah. I think because it's getting brittle, because it's sunshine, rain, sunshine. Careful, baby. So, it's getting brittle and that's the rip, the thorn is up. It's already getting bigger and bigger. So Dad is trying to make everything getting done. Be careful with your face, baby. Careful with your babe, be careful with this one.
Yeah, I know. Whoops, I'm gonna need that. Not right now, but just don't let it go away. Alright. I think we're ready to try to put it up there. How hard it is for me, I'm twice your size.
Jeez.
Please, just let me do this.
All right. I want to try to help you. Let me hold you. He's having a hard time. Oh, baby. You want me to put the pan here?
No.
My God, we left it open. Get inside here. Come here.
Come on.
Get it. Let me. Ew. Ow. Come on the pizza. Come on the pizza. Let's go. Ow.
Watch your ass. You're still gonna catch. You're still on it. You're still on it.
Ouch. This is my worry. You should not let it like that.
Still recording.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4.
So we're missing Bossing and Kimchi. No,
Oscar.
Bossing and Oscar.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, it's Bossing. He's right here.
Just bossing? I didn't see Oscar.
Well, I don't know about Oscar, but here's Bossing. Come here, you.
Ouch.
Come on.
Oh my gosh.
Come down here. He's up here.
Good. Oh my god.
Come here, you.
I didn't see Oscar.
Well, we need to find him.
Oh my god. That's our mistake.
Put your ass in there.
Okay, go.
Oh, look up here now. Hang on.
Okay. I will just look on the other side. Oh, it's there. Oh, so glad. Oh, so glad, baby.
I need my glasses. Take this.
You want this?
Just a second.
Okay, we're done. At least the husband fixed it. So our par baby is not gonna get wet when it get rain here. Kahit paano, yes. Everything is all taken care of. And this boy and girl here is chilling. Okay na daw. Yan. Kahit paano. Thanks, husband. Yan, medyo nalinis din namin yung labas. Okay.